Here's our 1955 Austin-Healey 100S Tribute. It is about as close as you come to one of the originals. It's an all-aluminum body. It is a 2.6 liter with a Westlake head. It has just taken part on the Going to the Sun rally, where it performed admirably and without fault. And on that tour was a 100S, and I think the guys were amazed at how close it was, and yet how much quicker it was due to its being a hot rod. So I hope you like it as much as I did. We're going to take it for a ride. As you can see, great oil pressure. So we're going to get onto the road, warm it up a little bit, take a different route today to see if we can keep some of the light since daylight savings time. Well, I can say this is one of the finest tributes we've ever seen. It's fast, it's tight, it's been upgraded with a 5-speed rather than a standard 4 in the 100S. The 45 DCOE Webers are perfect for high-speed touring. I must say, I drove this upstate the other day to meet a friend, and I enjoyed every bit of the 150 miles, just about as much as I enjoyed every bit of the 1,000+ miles we did on Going to the Sun. It sat in traffic, it went over bridges, it went through a tunnel. We're desperately trying to come up with what the next rally car is going to be for the Autosport crew. Sounds great, that's for sure. But we have definitely hit rush hour traffic. Down some back roads. It's just a little part throttle, but when you go full throttle, you'll know it. Just a really fun rally car. And if you put in 5th gear, you can cruise all day long. I must say, I'm not always a fan of all Healeys, but the BN1, BN2, 100Ms, and obviously 100S, or for that matter, any properly modified hot rod Healey, I'm a fan. I'm a fan because it's just a lot of bang for the buck and a lot of fun for the money. So We'll be back to you with a few flybys if you could see us. Like a good flame from the side pipe. That is actually what my son really loves about it. I will say this daylight savings time is becoming a hindrance. Sounds pretty good, doesn't it? We were cruising on some straights in New Mexico in 5th gear, and it was just happy. Take this run. As you can see, she's set up really well. Amazing amount of fun on the back roads for sure. Well, I'm very glad that you could all join us for our dusk edition of Autosports road test videos. I do think we probably should have started a little earlier. Okay, here we go on the farm road. Second. Third. Fourth. Cruising in 5th. Absolutely no problem. Third, and we'll give you a little burst of acceleration because that's about all we can do today. She's great in absolutely every way. Well, we have definitely run out of a ton of light. We're going to finish the road test by going through the LA Fitness parking lot, which happens to be right next door to Autosport Designs. Show you how, should you enjoy after a spirited road test, to, you know, go to the gym, work out a little bit, walk around, maybe even just watch other people do it while you're drinking a glass of wine. Personally, that's what I would be doing, which is obvious from my stature. And we're going to bring it back to the homestead in 2 seconds. A left and a left, and cleaned and put away.